Alright, what's up guys? We back in the shop as you can see. And we got another E36 here. With a 302 sitting in it. What are we doing here?
This bro. 5.0 swap E36 boys.
It's already 5.0 swapped, it's in there.
Yeah,
we just need to hook it up.
You gotta get heads.
Time for the stripping. You know the usual shit that we do on here.
Yeah,
stripping you. Getting all this interior out. Stripping it down. Dash is coming out. Seats eventually come out. Carpet will come out.
$5 you can fix that issue.
I don't want this shit.
You can have it for if you want it.
Alright, so we're taking off
You said fucking get it out.
the top. What? See? Told you.
Hold on.
Alright. So we're about to take out this top. Problem with that.
Are we throwing this peg?
Just behind the car.
You said you wanted it. What? How am I? What the fuck am I gonna do with it when you fucking buy it? You're buying the shell. Oh shit, that's what you wanted it for.
Ooh, don't hit your head now.
There we go. That's a little weight. On the old shit kicker, boys.
Now it's some weight taken off of it. Oh yeah.
Needs more love.
Let's get the rest of this interior out. These doors, take these door cards off. Alright, so we got some of this taking out. Trying to get through some of this wiring. Got all the screws for the dash to come out. We have to go to Walmart.
Might be.
Why?
I need Torx. That I don't have.
Shizzle.
Where you downhill?
Torx isn't working?
It's just not one to go.
Too tight up in there.
Which one is this? Huge one. I do believe.
I heard that one snap.
That you find. I mean, there's not a lot of cursing or swearing. There's not a lot of cuts. There's not a lot of put downs that one would expect to find. There's not screamfuls of.
Couple more. Feel it.
Yeah, give me a second.
No, you twist. I'll push it on it. Yeah. Airbag. We'll put this under the seat and blow somebody up. Sky high.
Actually, I was jingling. There's a bunch of fucking hood rat shit going on. I literally just had it too.
We really need to clean the shit out of this shop.
I'm about to do it before I leave tonight, honestly.
Oh my
Once we
God.
get the dash out.
Oh my god, there's so much shit everywhere.
Actually, you know
It's so
what?
bad.
Let's get the dash out.
Get the dash out and clean the shop.
And then go get food and go come back clean the shop.
It's so
Don't get
bad.
hungry.
Yeah, same. Food, Chambersburg Diner. That's where we going. Oh, look at my shitty lights. They blinky, blinky. Blinky, blinky, off, flicker, 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 on, off. Oh yeah, some good Chambersburg Diner. Let's get some. What? Alright, so we got a minor setback right now with this steering wheel bolt that's in there. Totally stripped that mother all the way down. put a 16 mil on it, and that is not the right size because it's a special bolt.
What's up in the forms? It's 16 mil.
Ooh, the forms say 16 mil, but guess not. So we're at a halt right now. We'll be back. All right, I think that's all we're gonna do today. Nah, it's not 15 seconds. It'll be all right. We're good. We're good. So yeah, we'll be back here to make some more videos of this. We got stuck with the steering wheel, like I said. Got a little bit done. Got that top off. Looks a little bit better. So like I was saying, we'll be back with more footage. Won't be a month long until we get footage out this time. Like, I know it's been a month since I put out a video. Almost a month or something like that. But we got Drift Nirvana coming up again. We'll be going to that.
What is that?
The 9th, June 9th, I believe. Yeah. Alright guys. Like, comment, subscribe.
Peace out.